Okay, we're gonna have the towel talk. Okay, in massage therapy, it's super important to position your clients in such a way that there's less stress on their body. In this case, when we massage the back of the neck, we need to make sure that there's no tension on the back of the neck. Often the weight of the shoulder puts pressure on the neck. So you can grab 2 small hand towels and you roll them just enough to create the elevation that you want to make the correction. That looks like the right height. Could roll or just fold. And voila, there's less tension in the back of the neck. You could use the same towel in the front of the hips if you need to, or anywhere else in the body.